Now we will solve questions from practice set 6.1. Question number 1. Distance of chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 centimeter. Length of the chord AB is 12 centimeter. Find the diameter of the circle. What is given? Distance of chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 centimeter, means OM. OM is given 8 centimeter. Length of the chord AB is 12 centimeter. Length of the chord AB is given 12 centimeter. You have to find out the diameter of the circle. So what is given? A circle with center O. A circle with center O. Segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB such that A dash M dash B. OM is equal to 8 centimeter and AB is equal to 12 centimeter. This is your given part, a circle with center O. Segment OM is perpendicular to the chord AB, A dash M dash B, and OM equal to 8 centimeter and AB equal to 12 centimeter. This is your given part. What you have to find? You have to find diameter of the circle, diameter of the circle. Now solution. Segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. It is given OM is perpendicular to chord AB. Therefore, AM is half of AB. AM is half of AB because perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. Therefore, AM is half of AB. So, segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB given. Therefore, AM is equal to half of AB. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Now, substitute the value of AB. AB is given 12 centimeters. So, AM equal to half into 12. Half into 12. So, half of 12 is 6 centimeter. Therefore, AM is equal to 6 centimeter. AM is equal to 6 centimeter. This AM is equal to 6 centimeter. So, in triangle OMA, angle OMA is equal to 90 degree. It is given in triangle OMA, angle OMA is equal to 90 degree given. So, you can use Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to OM square plus AM square. Now, this is your right angle triangle. So, OA square equal to OM square plus AM square. Use Pythagoras theorem. So, OA square equal to OM square plus AM square, Pythagoras theorem. But OM is 8 centimeters. So, 8 square plus AM is 6 centimeters. So, 6 square. So, 8 square plus 6 square. Now, 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36. So, 64 plus 36. So, OA square equal to 100. 64 plus 36 is 100. Now, taking square root, therefore, OA is equal to 10 centimeter. OA is equal to 10 centimeter. But what is OA? OA is your radius. OA is your radius. And radius is your 10 centimeter. You have to find out diameter. So, radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. And diameter is 2 times of radius. So, diameter equal to 2 into radius. So, equal to 2 into 10. 2 into 10. Therefore, diameter of the circle is 20 centimeter. 2 tens are 20. Therefore, diameter of the circle is 20 centimeter. Now, question number 2. Diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter and length of the chord of a circle is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. So, what is given in this circle? A circle with center P and diameter is 26 centimeter given. Length of chord CD equal to 24 centimeter. This is your circle with center P and length of chord CD equal to 24 centimeter and segment PM is perpendicular to chord CD such that C dash M dash D. What you have to find out? You have to find out PM. You have to find out PM. So, given a circle with center P and diameter 26 centimeter. Length of chord CD equal to 24 centimeter. Segment PM is perpendicular to chord CD. C dash M dash D to find PM. To find PM, because question is find the distance of the chord from the center, and distance of the chord from the center is PM. So you have to find PM. Now diameter of the circle is given 26 centimeter, it is given. So radius is half of diameter. So diameter divided by 2. So 26 divided by 2. Therefore radius of the circle is equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. But radius is PC. It means PC is equal to 13 centimeter. PC is equal to 13 centimeter. Segment PM is perpendicular to chord CD. So CM is half of CD because perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. So radius of the circle 13 centimeter. Therefore PC is equal to 13 centimeter, and segment PM is perpendicular to chord CD. It is given. Therefore CM is half of CD because perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. But CD is 24. CD is 24 centimeter. It is given. So substitute here 24. So CM is equal to half into 24. Equal to half of 24 is 12 centimeter. CM is 12 centimeter. Now in triangle PMC, angle PMC is equal to 90 degree. In triangle PMC, angle PMC equal to 90 degrees. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. PC square equal to PM square plus CM square. So in triangle PMC, angle PMC equal to 90 degree, it is given. Therefore PC square equal to PM square plus CM square. Pythagoras theorem. PC is given 13, so substitute here 13 square equal to PM square plus CM is 12, so substitute here 12. So 12 square, 13 square equal to PM square plus 12 square. So 169 minus 144. 13 square is 169 and 12 square is 144. Transposition. So 169 minus 144 equal to PM square. Therefore PM square equal to 25. 169 minus 144 is 25. PM square is equal to 25. Taking square root, therefore PM is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore PM is equal to 5 centimeter. So the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 5 centimeter.